everybody. My name is Gina and I am the nurse who developed this Sani-time travel kit for airplanes, and you can use it for cruises. I first made it for myself with my cancer and my chemo. It worked great. So now I'm well enough to share it and sell it for everybody. Right now it's on sale, $25 a bag on Amazon and Sani-time.com or Shopify. It does ship worldwide. I have a little layout here of different bags, but I'm going to go through what all exactly you get in it in case any of you are wondering. So, bear with me, I'm not good with the slide stuff. This is the actual packet here. As you can see, you get Lysol wipes. It's 15 of them. Purell wipes are 10 count of those. And you get a female wipe here for the bathroom. Just dropped one. A male wipe for the bathroom. 2 little Purell wipes that you can put in your purse. And then you get this bag that everything comes in. It's a clear, waterproof kind of bag. It's really nice. It zips up, the little plastic zip there. It says Sani-time Be Healthy Travel Kit. You get a headrest for the airplane, and it sticks on. I had them put the sticky on here instead of this Velcro because it seems like more airplanes don't have fabric. They have more vinyl type stuff. So it sticks on. You just peel the tape off. And then you also get a blow up U-shaped pillow. This is nice for COVID because then you can throw this stuff away when you're done with your trip. This is a little mini roll of toilet paper. There's no core in it, but you never know when the bathroom's going to be out of toilet paper, no matter where you're traveling. Then there's these disposable toilet seat covers. There's 8, usually 8 in a pack. It's a little book that opens up. If I can get it open here. It's closed pretty good. Let me put the phone down a second. There we go. It opens up and there's a little 8 pack of them in there. And you just close it back up with that little tab. Nice to have for nasty bathrooms when you're traveling. This is an eye cover mask, very comfortable, all black so it gets everything out. Velcro on the back so it fits any head size. This is earplugs for all the noisy babies crying on the plane or other obnoxious people. Here is 2 gloves. They are nitrile gloves, and they work very well. Be careful when you put them on. So you only get 2. So, and then here's a mask. They call them dust masks. It's technically a surgical mask, but it's with Amazon they changed it to dust masks now. You get one of those. And then you get, this placemat. It's a little big. I might have them make them smaller next time. They're a little on the big side, but it says Sani-time Be Healthy. It's for the tray table. That's why I have the plate and the fork and knife there. It peels off on the back, so it actually sticks a little too well on the tray cover right now. I might have them a little smaller in the future because this one's a little too big, but anyway, they come in the kits. And I think that's it. I just wanted to kind of go through and give you an update and refresher. You can buy these. I ship worldwide. Of course, the shipping is different in different parts of the world, but so that's kind of pricey. But the kits themselves are $25 each, 1 kit per person at this point in time, and they're great. I mean, I used them all the way through chemotherapy, but you know, this COVID stuff's a whole different ball game. So it just gives you peace of mind when you're traveling, if nothing else. I mean, it's not a guaranteed against COVID, but it gives you some peace of mind that you're doing what you can, you know. I'm a retired nurse, so I give you guys exactly what I use. And I used this actual kit 3 times in March and April of 2020 in the midst of the COVID. Had no problem. I would also recommend that you guys wear some kind of head covering to cover your hair. I wore a hat, just, you know, for extra layer of protection. Kind of was wrapped up like a mummy, but I didn't care. So anyway, you know, the key is to stay alive and healthy, and especially if you're undergoing cancer. This is not approved by any doctors or physicians, and so, you know, talk to your doctor if you're undergoing any health conditions first. So I used to have Germ-X, but it's flammable, and Amazon said no, so I can't give any Germ-X bottles in the kits anymore because it can catch on fire. So anyway, thank you very much. Bye-bye.